it's Roblox Gaming here, and today is another episode of Phantom Forces with Penguin 178. I just got the Christmas case key. Yeah, select item, use key. Please give me a rare. Yes, I just got a rare right immediately. I went one and got a rare. I got 2 donuts or festives. Equip. Okay, I already have that one. Which one is this? Back to load up. Okay, case inventory. Yes, you know I need like 20 more cash and I get the ballistic tracker on my gun. We have to win another time. Yes, got another kill. Why did I just say another even though it was my first kill? No. Ah! Dang it, I just got completely sniped by 14 people. I did have 4 people, sorry, 4 people, not 14. I just had 4 people pointing a sniper rifle, all fire, and only one of them killed me.
Looking for a good skill in it. I get a legendary out of my pictures.
Yeah. Oh. No! No! It was caught reloading. I have 2 deaths, 2 kills. Come on, we have to win this. Oh, it's King of the Hill. Are we going down in points or are we trying to get up in points? I'm so confused.
We have the hill.
Dude, get the hill and keep it hill.
We have it. We need to keep it. Because it's going to be happy.
We're about to lose it. Yes, got him. Yes. Woohoo. Okay, okay, get that hill, get the hill, get the hill. Oh, gee. Three. Ah. Go. No! Somebody's you to get the. Are you on the base? Ugh. Yes. Yes, we still at the base. Yes. Go. Scar BDW. Yes. 31. No. Yes, assist count as kill. Go. Yes. Go. No. Yes, got him. You know we're winning. Oh, no, we're not. Are we winning or losing? Wait, we want less? I'm so confused. I am. Yeah, but look at this. We have 500. I thought we were 400. That was funny. No! Somebody just killed me with an artillery. They have a red artillery. That's kind of cool. I'm on hill. Spawn on me. Go. Freak. Ah. Yes, got him. I got a triple headshot kill with backstabs all at the same time, and then died. No! You didn't tell me he was behind me? Were you over by base? I'm so confused.
No, it's not just stacked in the back.
I said were. Dude, I literally just said were.
These nice tiny carrots.
Yes.
Just shove it like a.
Yes. Oh, Jesus! I walked on top of a frack. Ugh. Deploy. Go, 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 go. How many kills do I have? I have 11 kills, 8 deaths. How many do you have? You're right under me. You're third. Dude, you're third place in kills. Third place in kills, Yehuda. You're at. I'm at second place in kills. I'm about to be in first place because I have almost 13 kills. I get 13 kills and I'll have one less death, so I'll be on the top of the leaderboard on our team. Where? Where? Oh, I wasn't there. Yes, got it, guy. AWS. Yes! I've been trying to get this gun all of it today. Yes.
You need about 41 actually to unlock it. I need 3 more levels. I never need those levels after getting nice XP. Looks, I remember there's XP.
Wait up. Oh, this is stupid. It's gonna so much penalty damage.
And the top RFJ. You got short round, you mean kidding?
Dang it. To reload. 0. This thing is so little kill. Dude, get in the hill now. Throw a grenade in. Oh, I just hit 14 people with a frag. That was actually, not 14, 4 people. Keep saying 14, I don't know why. Dude, why are you messing around in here instead of helping kill people? Ugh. Our team are such idiots. No, died. I just did it for the new revolver, 1858 new army. Stay alive. No. I jinxed it. Spawn on me. I'm right next to the hill. What the? Okay, escape or enter. You know how you get flung around whenever you touch something and you start flying up in the air? When that starts happening, you immediately reset and it won't happen again. If you reset character, it doesn't count as a ooh. Yes, do not commit suicide because that counts as a death, and that also messes up your game.
Well, I wasn't paying attention.
What, you just committed suicide? No! Ugh. Escape. Decline. How many subscribers do I have?
I think so. 2 still.
2? Who was the second?
Me.
Oh, thanks. Working my way up there. G. Yeah. No! Oh! You gotta help me at spawn. I can't move. I need you to spawn on you, but I need you to get in a good position. Yes, 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 yes. Fire. No! I see him. Gee, no! I almost threw a grenade. Throw a grenade at them. Let's go. Or go behind the gas. Get on the gas station. No. No! Oh, I got to top of the gas station. They killed me before I could take cover. I just died by a Dragon of SUV with only the first scope. Ah, come on! Died from a Remington 700 that only had a laser attachment. No! Kill Yehuda, kill him! Why is he shooting so fast on a Dragunov? Yeah, but how is he shooting that fast? I can't shoot that fast.
He doesn't have people set on either. He must know if you really like the game and then you go back and it stops it and then
Yeah, it's got another guy. Go for the A and W guy. Yeah, it's got another guy. We got the guy with the Dragunov. Yeah, it's got the guy with the AWS. No! I forgot there's two other guys on the mound! No! Get them! They're crushing us right now. Dude, we're losing by 100 kills. We're never gonna regain that. Ah! Yes! Double kill! Triple kill! Booyah! Come on, Yuta, we have to get the things up. We need to win this round. Yes, got him. No! Oh! Could somebody just get into the hill so we can get it? Go. E. 3. No! Oh! How did he get behind me? I just saw somebody teleport onto me. It said a teammate has spawned on you. It said enemy. Instead of a teammate, it said enemy has spawned on you. Cheap. How the heck did he spawn on me? No! I died by an AK-12. Get that base! Oh, use a Tech 9, sure. Use anything. Ah. No, I just died. Deploy. Oh, jeez. I'm 60. No! How the heck is he spawning on me? He's an enemy side. He's spawning on me. I'm literally not kidding. He's literally spawning on me. Okay, coming! Hold on! I'm finishing up my video! I need another 2 minutes! Ema? Ema! Can I have 2 minutes, please? Okay! Now what Ema wants you now. She's coming down! Go! You know I'm about to get— What the flip? What the heck? I was about to get the base and it flung me up in the air. That's not fair. Yuda? Get him! Alright, no, I have 2 minutes. I have